This video covers basic troubleshooting of the Winston RTV Series 5 and Series 7 Retherm oven. Unit not turning on. If the W is not blinking, verify that the unit is plugged into the correct voltage and phasing. Also verify that the wall breaker is on. After verifying that there is correct voltage and phasing at the outlet and the unit is still not turning on, call Winston Customer Care for further troubleshooting. Low water. If the unit control is displaying low water, this indicates that the unit needs water in the water pan. Ensure that there is enough water in the evaporator pan. The water level should be high enough where it is touching the level sensor, approximately 2.5 gallons. If there is sufficient water and the control is still displaying low water, call Winston Customer Care for further troubleshooting. Water fill error. Water fill error is displayed when the unit has attempted to auto water fill and the unit has not filled with water. If the unit does not have auto water fill, go into settings and verify that the water valve is disabled. Rebooting the unit will clear the water fill error. If the unit has auto water fill and is connected to a water line, ensure that the water valve is turned on. If the water valve is open and no water is coming out, call Winston Customer Care for further troubleshooting. Power failure. Power failure is displayed when there has been a power outage or the unit has been shut off during a cook cycle. The error code can be cleared by rebooting the unit. Probe errors. The unit control can display 3 different probe errors. If the unit displays EVAP probe or air probe, there is an issue with either the air or EVAP probe or possible an issue with the control board. Ensure that the called out probe is clean. Call Winston Customer Care for further troubleshooting. If the unit displays a food probe error, ensure that the food probe is connected to the unit properly. If the probe is connected properly and the unit is still displaying food probe error, call Winston Customer Care for further troubleshooting. No drive detected. If attempting to download HACCP records or upload presets or firmware and no drive detected is displayed, remove the USB drive and verify that it is formatted to either FAT or FAT32, and then reboot the unit. Insert the USB drive and try again. If this fails to solve the issue, call Winston Customer Care for further troubleshooting the problem. Incorrect timestamp. If you have downloaded a HACCP record and the time and date are incorrect, go to Settings and scroll to Time and Date. Set the correct time and date.